In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download your resume from LinkedIn. It's a quick and simple process that should take just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to update your portfolio, switch up your job applications, or simply have a copy on hand, following these steps will make it all easier for you. First things first, you'll need to head over to your browser and navigate to LinkedIn's website. Type in linkedin.com and hit enter. Once the page loads, look for the Sign In button on the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Go ahead and fill those in. Then click Sign In again. After you're logged in, you'll be redirected to your LinkedIn homepage. Your homepage is essentially your dashboard, filled with all the latest updates and activities from your network. But we're here for one specific task. So next, click on your profile icon. Typically, this can be found at the top of the page. It might be a picture of you if you've uploaded one, or just a generic silhouette if you haven't added a photo yet. Hover over it, and a drop-down menu should appear. In this menu, you'll want to click on Settings and Privacy. Don't worry if this sounds a bit administrative. This is the gateway you need for managing your LinkedIn data and preferences securely. Inside the Settings and Privacy section, you'll see various options available to help you manage your LinkedIn experience. Among these options, look for Job-Seeking Preferences. Clicking on this link opens the door to managing how LinkedIn supports you in your job search. From there, focus your attention on Job Application Settings. This is where LinkedIn stores your resume data, crucial when you're looking to download your resume. Now, within this section, you should find an option to download your resume. LinkedIn doesn't call it downloading specifically, but you'll be looking for phrases like export your data or download PDF. Clicking this option will initiate the download sequence. Once you start the download, your browser typically saves the document in your default Downloads folder unless you've set it up differently. After it finishes downloading, double-check that your resume looks as you expect. Ensure that your experience, education, and skills are up to date, as LinkedIn will tailor your resume based on the details you have filled in your profile. If everything checks out, congratulations, you've successfully downloaded your resume from LinkedIn. And there you have it, a quick, hassle-free way to obtain your resume from LinkedIn. Keep it stored safely on your device, and you'll always have it ready to go for your next opportunity. We hope this guide proved helpful, and as always, happy networking.